Yeah, I even have clothes on.
Sawyer.
I will... Look up.
Like, Abby really needs a drink.
You.
Okay, good. Abby? That was his blue eye. Abby, are you a good girl?
Abby.
Throw it at her.
You a good girl? Nice.
Okay, good. You're a good girl. Pick up the teeth right there in the dirt. Ow. Oh. Stop with their tail. Oh, you're getting that's a good treat, isn't it? You like that, don't you?
Too bad it's $6 a box, so go on. What about me?
Yeah, what about Eli?
Yeah, you gotta sit pretty.
Good boy. Too bad you don't get anything.
Bark! It's a biscuit.
Speak, boys.
Bark! I'll cut you my tongue.
You mess. Oh, gross.
10-second rule. It's a 5-second rule. You ready? Oh, my dirt never hurt.
Yeah.
I can taste that pepper. Wait, no, that's Sam.
Hey, Sawyer. Hey, buddy.
He's still smelling for beef jerky.
Take another one that has dirt on it.
That's too much to give them.
I'm gonna get it from.
No, they're being so well behaved.
Get
Want
off.
the picture? Here.
He can't see it.
Sawyer.
Abby can.
Tell me if I stand next to you.
Yeah, Dad, he definitely is
Sit.
fine to have one of
Sit.
his eyes.
You gotta quit moving.
Sawyer, sit.
You gotta quit moving, honey. Where are you gonna be?
You just do what you need to do.
Well, I need to be on the side where you are.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
I can't zoom in that much.
Stay. Make him sit, Gage. He can't be right
I'll
there.
make him sit.
Come here. Grab his collar. Make him sit next to Abby.
Look at Moses.
Sit. Sit. Make him sit right next to Abby. And then you back up to wherever you need to.
Right here.
Sit. No. No, look.
Sawyer.
Stay.
Down. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Nice.
Is that gonna work?
No, I got it.
Can I have one that doesn't have dirt on it?
Sit.
He's a good boy. Let him go. Come on, buddy.
Dude, it doesn't have dirt on it.
Did you get a piece, Gage?
Yeah. No, he didn't.
You only got 2 pieces of.
One had dirt on it.
So?
Now,
Throw one in the dirt now. Here, Gage. Gage, here's one for you.
Looks like people like ride their motorcycles through there. Nope.
Hey.
That's from the beans.
you just ripped one, Dad?
No.
That's good for the environment.
It's all natural.
You gotta pee.
Natural is when people can't hear it. That is not natural when you blow a tree down. You know, I haven't got a bunch.
Okay, are we ready to turn around yet?